lips has been so dry the past few days. Super, as in super. Like, feel ko na sobrang tight niya and dry. Anyway, today, I've decided to vlog. I have nothing in mind. I have nothing to do. I have nothing interesting to show you guys. And that's why I've been debating if I should vlog. Also, it is our term break. Parang ganon. I came back from a summer term. And so it's our break for a while. It's like a 3 week break. Ganon. And so I really have nothing to do. I thought I have long list of plans that I want to do during the break, but turns out I've been rotting in bed, watching, reading a book, drinking my matcha. That's just how my day's been. Lady's choice. I just finished reading, and so she just loved washing the dishes.
Sa bahay niyo ba? Tatay mo ba engineer? Tatay mo? Mekaniko po.
I like my matcha is kind of cool. We are swapped down the floor. We have our matcha for the day. It's good. It's a good clean. Really proud of it. Siyempre, titingnan niyo pa ba? Mahulog pa ito. But anyway, I want to do my makeup. I haven't been doing my makeup for the past few days. So wala, gusto ko lang mag-makeup kasi minsan nakaka-spike siya ng productivity if I do my makeup or just get ready. So let's do that. Guys, I swear, it's always a hit or miss sa mga cafe. Sobrang sarap. Akala ko kanina, my matches, going bad kasi hindi ko siya ni-store sa ref. Kasi sabi ng iba, it's good daw to store sa ref. Pero I don't know if it applies to dun sa mga pouches, but it does sa mga tin cans, ganun. But I'm not sure if I'm storing it right. But anyway, it's still so good. And yeah, wala yung mga gamit ko for matcha, so I used what I have here sa bahay. Now let's do our makeup. Alam niyo ba, nung nauso yung bushy brows, I hopped onto that trend. And boy, she did not stop. She did not stop doing it until no one's doing it. I swear, like, akala ko talaga stay. Tapos ang dami kasi lagi nagtatanong sa how I do my brows before, like they compliment my brows. Maybe because it was the trend then before. Naman lang ni isa nagsabi na parang hindi bagay sa'yo yung bushy brows. Ganun. I'm currently reading a book that my best friend recommended to me since I want to read the book while I'm on vacation because I can't do that when we have pasok. So I did, and then there's this girl, she said something that struck to me, and it says, be glad that you don't understand what she's going through, or yeah, it goes around something like that, because that just only means that you have a much gentle life than her. And then she said, if you have to choose, or if you can choose between anger or empathy, always choose empathy. Oh my gosh. I'm using this blush. Oh. Wait. So anyway, I'm just gonna finish this makeup. Do I have blush blindness? maybe I do. But I love blush, so I don't mind. This one is from Sunny's. It's really good. The shade Doje. That finishes the makeup look. And now, off we go to the bed.
Just an update to the book. So far, it has helped me to look at things differently because these people in my life, it's their first time living here too.
Kapaligo ko lang kay Luna. And when I tell you it's a whole workout, literally, it is. Sobrang hirap ng paliguan. That's so tight. Ayos ko lang ng kama. No.
Sabi mo ang sabi ng servant, Europe Customs at PNR Bataan. Update naman po tayo sa 2024 Paris Olympics.
Like, such a good. Refreshed. So sad. I'm so sad. Grabe.